I was totally forget. I was in the live. I just started doing my usual meditation. Usually, I take my meditation before I come to the live. I just do some 10 or 20 deep breathe in and breathe out. But after today, after some time, I realized that I wasn't alive. So yeah, lot of lot of things going on from my head into my head. Lot of traumas, issues, lot of things. I have to be very mindful with today's trading, and I have some assignment due here, so I have to do that. So a lot of things going on. So I don't want to put too much pressure here. I just want to do it in a chill way. If I found any entry, if I find any entry, I'll execute. If I see my model with a clear with a clear picture, I will execute with planned risk. 1:2. Just close the lab and walk away. I don't need to force or no need to put too much pressure in my trading self because it's working really good. So the only problem is me. So I'm the one just trying to do something which is not supposed to do. So I had to wait. I had to build that patience because if I get the entry pattern in 5 minutes, then it will be great. So I had to align the 5 minute to 1 minute to 5 minute or 5 minute to 1 minute. Um, so aligning 5 minute confirmation, 1 minute execution is pretty clear, pretty good actually. So let's wait. Don't get caught up into anything. Everything is all right. Just be focused. So here, what's my plan for the day? It's a current bearish leg. Inside this range, we do have a discounted fair value gap in all time frames H4, H1, M15. So inside this range, and there's a big fair value gap that flipped yesterday. This is where I get manipulated and keep on buying. As you can clearly see, no price close above this fair value gap, right? If I'm bullish, I like to see fair value gap close. I like to see some candle close above this range. If that's not the case, I should close it. That's the thing. Think about it. It's given. It's once it's sweep the liquidity. I don't see any structure. I don't see at least the fair value gap flip. I don't see any structure. I don't see any fair value gap flip. It's kind of accumulating here. Boom, go all the way up, manipulating to the upside. Rejection, manipulating to the upside one more time. Breakdown close candle, which indicates it's going to go lower. Which indicates clearly what it's going to go lower. That's the thing. At least to this low. So I had to be very careful with this kind of price actions. So this is that leg, and let's keep on printing this is the engineered liquidity. So 8:30, I did do have a news, I guess CPI. So price manipulating to the upside. One, two gets cleared out, and once it enter this range, I can look for some sort of short and targeting this low and what this low. That's my target. That's my game plan for the whole day. Um, let's wait and see what's going to happen. Besides that, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to do anything. Yeah, it's kind of engineered the liquidity here. It's a lot of imbalance, not yet get filled. So we do have beautiful M5 family up right here. So if inside this range, we can expect some sort of bullish price action. Just take it. This is our H4 sellers triangle. So in M5, these are current like after tapping this 50% level of the H4, after tapping this level, it's start to sell off all the way towards this liquidity. If I found any sort of market maker buy model, I can expect the price to reach this high, clears out this high first before it's coming lower. If that's not the case, I'm chill, I'm good, no worries. I like to see some price action after the thing. So basically, I'm very straight. That's it. So next, what I need to do, I just want to do. I don't think I can see 15 seconds. What about the session moment? Yeah, it's Asian session. Right again, come all the way down. Fail to clear out the Asian low. Good push to the upside, all the way up. London high has been break now. So London high broke at 550, kind of selling to the downside to this liquidity. To 15, 3, yeah, got that. It is come all the way down to Asia session. The London high has completely protected and it's did approach the Asia session. Okay. So, don't think about the SMTs right now. So 5, okay. No need to worry about anything. It's not even nearer to Asian session low, right? It was stayed right here, but in Euro USD, it's pretty close to Asian session. It most probably going to sweep the Asian session while it's holding this 5 area, and we can expect higher prices. This is kind of short term, bro. This is kind of short term. This is not a long term. Long term, I need to be bearish higher tapping 5 area. We are inside the higher tapping 5 area. We can expect some manipulation to the upside, and we can target lower prices. That's the game plan for the day. I wanted to do just here. All I wanted to do is this. So in this whole swing, this is the only favor here. So we most probably expect this favor here to holding the price. So I'm just mark out this inversion here. Okay, I'm just marked out this inversion right here. That's it. Nothing else to talk. Short term, according to the given data, short term I can potentially buy and target this highs. Once the target has been hit, I need to flip my direction towards sell because the high time frame wise I need to be short and I can expect the continuation towards this and this. That's my game plan. So now we move to MES. So what happening in MES? Nation session was a great move, and this is just a London session move. Oh, maybe look for bar shot, right? I just want to delete all the drawings here. Settings. What happened here? Race took the all-time high. Race took the all-time. Not even took. Race tapped the all-time high. Not even cleared out. Come all the way down towards this inefficiency, discounted inefficiency, and it just flipped here. Keep on going all the way up towards this target, right? This is in M5. I'm just seeing in M5 time frame. Or go all the way up. Accumulation. This is the whole Asian session expansion move. London big accumulation. After that, it start to expand higher. Create out the external high. Boom. Print a low. Print a low. Fail to make a higher high. Clean flip. We can exit the position here. Put the stop at this high. It's structure shift and it's created this imbalances holding the price. So we can expect what? So we can expect what our manipulations to be. So we can expect potentially that this is going to be a target, first target, and second target is this low. That's what our game plan should be. Let's see how it's gonna work. The Asian session, London session, Asia high has been taken, London high has been taken. So we can target Asia low and London low, right? We can target Asia low, sorry, London low and Asia low. That's gonna be the game plan. But the thing is, market is extremely bullish. We need to be careful with that. And move on to daily time frame. What's happening right now? So kind of market is extremely bullish, and market is extremely bullish, and it's sort of accumulating around this area. Start accumulating here in daily time frame. And when you get data right here, it's kind of holding, not closed below. Yeah, holding, push up, well to clear out this high, print equal high, right? Print a kind of equal high, right? And come all the way down, again getting respected, go all the way up. So it's a good bullish candle the last day, and it's a solid bullish candle. This value of still holding the price, and now the price sweep all the high. So it's going to go higher or it's going to reverse. I am not sure, but as of now, what happening here? Price clears out all-time highs. So the all-time high has been swept, at least in 4 hour. It is if it's swept or not. No, in 4 hour it's not swept yet. We need to wait for 1 more hours to see. So this is the all-time high, and it's kind of yesterday the candle the Monday gap down, big push to all the way up towards this equal highs. Some sort of liquidity to the left, minor sweep. This liquidity minor sweep, and I think it's a fair value gap here. Yeah, it's also a fair value gap. And internal liquidity minor sweep, big displacement, boom, 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 boom. And it's not only reach this point, but I will flip this to last fair value which inside the whole swing in the last fair value, and we should mark that out with that. That's most important one. This is your way. Drawn liquidity has been taken. The last fair value gap got flipped. How beautifully it get flipped and get rejected, right? Still, it's not even flipped. Sorry, swept any highs. Just tapped, come all the way down. Next candle come all the way down, and that inversion beautifully holding the price, pushing higher. Come and reject it, close above, go on, swept the high. Beautiful thing. This is the whole move, whole swing, right? If the candle closed below the range, below this range, that would be the structure shift, low, high. This is the last value that holding the price. Once it closed below, that would be the structure shift for us in 1 hour. Let's wait and see. Okay. The thing that I marked in 4 hour, which I anticipated a fair value gap to hold because there is a clean liquidity. So and this low clearly gets swept. Let's keep on going higher so that already going to be this and this. We knew that. But the reason why we don't need to worry about this fair value gap just because there is just a panic sellers, right? Panic sellers. There is no nothing on it, just a panic sellers. That's the reason why you can anticipate this high to take. Good push. Mm. And next candle, come on, tap. Take support at this break. This I clearly get break. Yeah, good break. Retest. Go all the way up and clear this high. As of now, all-time high swept. So all-time high has been taken, raise rebalance to the last form, the fair value gap. So to get flipped, that would be the structure shift plus fair value gap flip. We can expect lower prices. If not, that's not right. It's right. What about 4 hours? 4 hours, I didn't see anything good. To be honest, I didn't see anything here. And there is no fair value gaps in this time frame. The only fair gap is this, and it's also get completely filled. So I don't find anything. This is straight up means. Gap down. Think about it. Gap down. Market opening candle. Swept big displacement. Value gap created. Let's leave the value gap remain open. Let's go all the way up to this liquidity. Let's look at 3 p.m. Then it started to move up at 9 o'clock, like Asian session. This is the Asian session mode, and it's a London session, and it's swept. We can target this low. This is the in 15. Oh, sorry, this is 1 hour, right? This one. Just more 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, what's happening right now? Sweep, start to sell off, and there's the fair value gap that we have in that area. So we have to mark it out. The 15 minutes fair value gap in yes. Liquidity sweep. I need to see more structure in order to validate my sell entries. Bro, until then, I need to be bullish. Boom, high accumulation, break, not a break, accumulation go and clear out. Again, rebalance to this to and come. Once you're getting swept, it's come and sweep the internal liquidity inside the fair value gap. What you can expect? Higher prices. This is 5 minutes. Let's mark out M50, M50, FAG. I don't think it's we need this guy. We delete this guy. We don't need this. So what happened in 5 minutes? What happened is that it print SMT. Holy crap! The SMT is real, bro. Damn, the SMT is real. Print SMT, flip, enter, just above the high. Start to bleed towards this low. Holy shit. That low has been swept. This is not even swept yet. And there's a clean SMT, bro. But I don't see any structure to validate my bearish model. I need to see more structure to form. I don't see anything. Most of the time, this kind of big dump. Once it clears out, according to Justin Verlin, if any sort of high has been swept and if the price gives like this quick dump, straight dump, that's not the one you trust for. Just a quick recovery and I think 8:30 we do have news. CPI, bro. Core CPS. Bro. What performance difference? Bro. CPI, go and sweep the liquidity now. Let's wait and watch. Every liquidity has been taken. Taken. Go. Holy stuff. CPI, bro. What happened right here? Guys, come all the way down. Sweep this liquidity inside the M15. Good push. Place of this high. So that we do have some continuation, reversal. We need to wait and see that. Mm, CPI big flush to the upside, sweep all the liquidity. So quite hard if it's going to go higher a lot. Bro. It seems like it's going to go higher because I don't find any valid model or right setups here. The only thing is it's we declared out the high, but I don't find the proper structure. I don't find any significant swing. It is if you consider this is gonna be the swing low, but I like to see some sort of swing low formed and sweep like that. But price come all the way down. This is the last swing. Street is low getting swept, the trolley still holding the basic big push to the upside. The point of trying to see more structured form. Mm, the 5 minutes not in close dates. This is a 1 minute difference and I don't think
Well, as someone who is so research representative, so those two cheers, cheers. One more one. Um, well, it's I have no so that's that's kind of fun. So good. Cheers. 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 Kayla is I said no she we have to go yet. Especially try to help her bringing us together here. Yeah, there is. Okay, what did we miss? That's it. Yeah. That's one. That's because you can wait all of this in your ball. It is all. That's what what is this name? I don't know why I don't just it's called foreboding. It's hard for me to make out who's there. It's in what's on the since. Why am I took one of those?
okay.
Thanks. Oh, turn on. She said this point. It was survey. He was pulling with carpet action, so he would oh sure, I mean that's what it was. Yeah. Whoa. Just wait. Go. Figure out this moment. Yeah. That's the honesty song? Yeah, we should take it. So, yeah, my definitely lost confidence. Thank you so much. Stay that's something good. So 5 years later and then like I knew what I was gonna say. I'm scared. It's probably building my parents and okay. So I'm gonna say I wrote sort of as something that's was not good and was so like oh hold up, I got it. Sorry, so yeah, what Colin what if I can help myself? Yeah, it's my choice. Us, it's yeah, school. It's like that. And s- the light came on right again. Use the opposite side. Windows. Uh, you see more come. We're gonna expose you to bacteria. That's well, I can help the lifeboat, help us survive, and I have this. Well, if I'm not gonna go, then zero. I'm not gonna leave your side. I'll go to the ready to board. That's something else. We get about the weird how it's not acceptable. I need to talk about the I know if you don't let strangers see pictures out, we give it a shot.
So what I'm expecting is please inside this five valley gap. So like in 5 minutes it's a five valley gap, right? And it's SMT flip flip. So I just wanna execute my positions. That's flip, not on flip grade, not flip grade. Once you can close above this high, I'm just executing my position. Not in a live account, long. As soon as it's closable, um, I guess this is where I can execute my position. It's already get flipped at three, already get flipped. Just wait for it until close. Good sign. Yeah. 14 seconds. Wait. Now, file gap, SMT, inversion, structure shift, enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, boom, entry, activator, start loss at this low, tightening, next final height. 1 is to 1.4. Let's make it 1 is to 1.5. rush 1.5, and my risk is gonna be this tight risk. So if I manage my risk like this, so I can target honestly to grow. The reason I don't like to see any waste. I get the censorship, I get this inversion, got inverse. So I like to see the continuation towards upside. Honestly to very simple reason. Oh, my entry is in Nasdaq. Oh my goodness. Very simple, bro. Big news candle, big news candle, come all the way down. Leave this imbalance. Inside this imbalance, what happened? So, into SMT, like flip, structure shift, enter, put this up, put this low. Yeah. Enter, anticipate the price to reach this high, this kind of high. It gives almost 1:2 go out from the market. So after this guy, after this big displacement, this value gap created, we can move to we can move stop loss to break even. We can change the stop to break even now. Yeah, that will be good. Right? I move my stop to break even. So I don't like to see any price close below this value gap. So I anticipate the price to continue higher towards this point. So now my risk is zero. Not as, I'm not put. I just give some breathing room. Not a breathing room, just for the sake of visibility to the audience. So I just put here. Actually, it's I break even the rate, and it's keep on creating a family app. So I don't like to see any place close below this family app. So this is my confluence. So I like to see it's holding and clear up this high. That's what I expected here. GBPSD, GBPSD. Thank you. As of now, we are break even the trade. We just see the price to reach our target. I'm not entered any actual positions. I'm just day trading it since it is a since it is CPI day and price already took the all-time high. Price close with the all-time high. Big news candle. Come on, all the way down. Uh, this news candle give 50% retracement, like not even 50. It's almost 50 to 60. Healthy retracement, yes. Use some healthy retracement. Let's tap the fair value gap in M5. Let's tap the fair value gap in M5. Here it's print SMT and the tiny fair value gap flip plus structure shifts right and the position right here. We'll stop at this low. And once identified this big displacement, once identified this fair value gap, I move my stop to break even now. Expecting the price to clear out this high. My target is 1 is 2. Let's wait and see. What about MES in this point? MES, um, M5, SMT, structure, shift, rebalance. So let's wait and see. Structure break, rebalance. Let's keep on going higher. But Nasdaq, it's almost take care of the high bro. Nasdaq is flying, right? Nasdaq is fucking flying. SMT, structure shift, enter, boom, stop at the low, targeting this. It's not even clear of the high, but it is pretty close to the high. But what I got about this? This fella is not even get close to this high. It's very far, right? Very far. Too far. Moment almost it's for sure going to take the high bro. For sure. Good push. Whatever. It's high time frame balance. Speed, liquidity, big displacement, value gap, holding, pushing. Holy crap. It's not gonna hit the target, but it's supposed to hit my target. Yeah, bro, it's leave this big imbalance, so it's supposedly market has no option but to hit my target. That's it. Yeah, let's leave the big imbalance here. So we can anticipate a good move to the upside, bro. Let's leave this great imbalance here. Let's leave this equal high. No need to worry about anything. So enter just up at this low, raise up at this low, until to a certain extent. Enter to start breaking. Let us see what happens in 5 minutes. Thank you. What the hell is it? It's not even nearer to that instant line, but that's stuff. It's very close to that. I think it's more than enough for me to go for an entry. Liquidity sweep, big displacement, such a shift, 50% retracement, with this inversion. So it's pretty much it for me to go for an entry. It's what I'm expecting. One of the thing is, it's kind of 20 pips, but if I keep a stop right here, it's 13 pips. But I should do a zero position right there. So nothing wrong with that. I should you enter the question about what I'm doing? According to my speculation, gold is relentless. Liquidity has been swept. Big term flows can structure shift. We go on to one minute. We go on to 1 minute. What happened? Let's go all the way up. Let's kind of go all the way up towards this area. Once I reach this point, it's instantly flip this value. We can enter the position with the stop. Whereas once it close below, we can enter with the stop. I didn't do anything. Whereas as soon as the price flip this fair value, right? Flip this fair value, right? Here I should have entered my position with the stop by this side, expecting a continuation towards the low. The thing which I'm doing is not right. Below which manipulating to the upside as per the plan, and it's close below the structure shift. Just flip this big imbalance, and it's go all the way up to this discounted range. And once it reaches this place, what happened? Inversion enter to the top of the high. Targeting what? First target. Second target what? Second target. That's what you need to do. Do what you need to do. That is what you should do. At least you should execute your position well. Or at least you should execute your position. And as soon as you see this flip inside this, and you should execute the position and put the stop at the high. Targeting what? Lower prices. That's what you need to do. What you should do. It's kind of manipulating to the upside, structure shift, go all the way up, discounted range, flip the fair value here. It's clearly flip the fair value. Boom, clearly flipped. It's also leave this imbalance. You should have entered your position here, but I didn't. It's okay, fine. And so look at you missed the entry little. You literally missed the that's pretty much close to my target, bro. It's pretty close to my target. And in 5 minutes it's flipped. And in 5 minutes it's get flipped. You missed the move right here and here. This is where you enter. This is where you should enter your positions. This is where you should enter the positions. Or else you should enter the position after 5 minutes. And now you are really good, but you didn't. It's okay. What else I can do? It's okay. It clears out my target, but I'm not able to any positions today. It's after my execution. There is no drawdown. There is no drawdown. Nothing. Let's click on clear out my targets. The S&P countries are getting protected. Like 15 or like 16, and then we do have only 2 days to complete the assignment. News kind of high, news kind of low. Yeah, they made it clear. Yes. But Nasdaq, this is the news kind of low, news kind of high. It's did take the high. It did take the high. What happened next? It started to bleed to the downside. As soon as it's hit the news kind of high, it started to bleed. Bleed. Clear out this lows. Holy shit! It's market open, right? I forget about that, bro. Market open. 9:30 market open. Which is the month again. This is the month again. That's the reason why we already. Fuck off the fucking chat. Fuck off the fucking chat right now. This is the first in chat list. You should entertain it. The fucking chat, bro. Why the hell I was not in the market? Just because of this flip, right? As soon as I identified this value getting flipped, I closed the letter and walked away. Once I come back, it's kind of flipped. I thought of entering my position here and put the stop at the side. That's what I planned, but I didn't execute anything. At the time, I identified, nope, I should enter here and put the stop at the side because it's a clean manipulation to the upside, strictly shift, and there's strictly shift rebalance to the equilibrium level. And it's as soon as it's rebalanced to this level, it's flip all the five values close. This is your entry. Put the stop at the high. Put the stop at the high. Targeting lower prices, especially what? Especially this low and this low. That's gonna be my target. That's what exactly happening right now. But I was like stupid shit. Market open, liquidity sweep. Market open, come and sweep this liquidity. Ah, bro. Money early, bro. What the hell I'm doing, bro? What the hell I'm doing? It's clearly manipulating to the upside. First below, and it's rebalanced to this equilibrium level. After that, it's clearly flipped the value. This is we need to enter it. Put the stop at the high. It's cleanly work on the way towards what? Pushing. Yes, so flip also is muscle tap on it. This is where I expect the price to come. That's my target. That should be my target. Everything I planned. And why the hell I thought of planning to short inside this game. As soon as it get flipped, I was holy shit. But by the time it flipped to this earlier, it's printing the price action here. I was there. And I should have entered the position, but I didn't. I should have entered the position right here and put the stop with the high. That's gonna be good, but I didn't. I was thinking too much, but I ended up not taking the enter. What the fuck? I can imagine. I know for sure I should enter my position here. Yes, Here's what happened. Arbitration, structure shift, go up, and it's clearly flipped the failure. Try tap, enter, put the stop behind. It's rebalanced to this point. I can enter. At least it's rebuilt. I can enter. I wait for this agent to reach, but it's still it's they start bleed downward. The last earlier kind of holding the price. Now it's sort of bleed down. Now that I'm shooting, I can feel it with myself when I'm shooting. I consider it as it doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter, bro. This is our current swing, bro. This is a breaker, eh? It's kind of what happened. The same fucking stuff happened. Migrating to the upside, big fair value gap flip. Let's leave this create imbalances once it comes to this point. It's flipped. First time it is supposed to be here. You should have entered here. Should have entered here like to see the flip. If you not even entered here, as soon as you see this flip, as soon as you see the 5 minutes flip, you should have entered here. What happened? From all the way up, sweep the high one more time. Again, what happened? Structure shift. Sweep again, structure shift. Start the setup. Fuck it, this is the current line now. I completely messed up. So what happened here? EM55 will get news candle high, lower getting swept, market open, come all the way down, sweep to guys. Can I tell you one thing? My entire my entire mind and my entire thing telling me to go for an entry, go for an entry, go for an entry. But if you were to ask me one question like why the hell you gonna execute the position? I don't have any answers. I don't have any ideology. The reason why you execute the positions, I don't know. So for me, the news candle data low has been swept, liquidity has been swept, higher time frame 5 value gap. So inversion. So I just wanna So inversion entered my first position right here. What happened? Okay. And then my first position right here, expecting some higher prices. Does it right? But I don't want to at it. So holy shit. TP is going to be here. 3 plus is going to be here. So day 4 take profit. Take profit. 1200. Boom. Stop plus 250. Boom. Mm, holy shit, bro. Oh, the stop loss will one doesn't want it. Okay. If we put 20 minutes, still the same, nothing much, bro. 20 minutes also, it's kind of this much room. I do have this much room, breathing room, and I have execute this much profit. Oh, not bad. 10? Okay. If it is 10, it's reasonable. If it is 10, it's reasonable. It's a reasonable amount of stop loss. It's a reasonable amount of target. Yeah, I'm kind of a stupid today. What should I do? This supposed to be my entry, brother. This supposed to be my entry. If I enter my question right here, for the start of this file, I missed it away. Don't hit smart. My direction was right. My plan was right. I expect the thing way before the news candle come, like this candle open. So I anticipate the sweep and sweep up this high and hold up. I like expect to hold the family gap. Expect the family gap to respect, and it's just clear big down post candle in 5 minutes. 9% to the upside, big down post candle which indicate the structure shift, which leave a lot of inefficiencies here, which leaves this inefficient 5 minutes, and it's kind of rebalanced to this point. Once it reaches equilibrium level, it flip the direction, give the confluence forming. And if I'm not even execute any position, if I'm get confused because of this fair value, I can enter my position as soon as this fair value getting flipped. After the next candle, I can enter my position. Next candle, I can enter my position. That's what I can do. What I should do today because it's kind of flip the fair value gap. It's going higher. Right? I was like, oh, if I'm not confident like this, it's a liquidity taken and it's flipped the fair value gap inside the fair value gap. It's holding. So if the market is bullish, it should hold the price and pushing higher, right? But as soon as I identify the 1 minute price action, like it's discounted range, flip, come all the way down, flip all the family gap, 5 minutes getting flipped, I enter my position right here. Which I enter my position right here, put the stop loss at the high, targeting what? Targeting this, not this, targeting this low. Because if I projected my projection, like last manipulation, structure shift projected here, but I can scale my profits inside this range. It's in a big displacement candle, so I can beautifully trust myself. I can set my entry to break even now. I can set my entry to break even now. I can expect a good push towards my liquidity zone. That's what happening right now. And I was not in the market, bro. No Nasdaq, the famine. So done for the day. I'm not. I don't want to sit in front of the market here any after. I was like, the thing is, it's printed SMT right here. It's take the high, take the low. It's a 5 minutes FEG, which we have right now. And I didn't get a structure shift yet. But the thing is, taken instant high taken, big displacement, keep the low rebalance to this inefficiency in 5 minutes. Market open, right? This was the market open candle for like yeah. Boom. So in 1 minute, that kind of keep on going higher. In 1 minute, it's clear out all the liquidity, structure shift, big displacement. That's right. What happened here? We move on to 5 minutes, yeah. We still got the same. We had got this power here, and we get that SMT, and we get that structure shift, and just getting tapped. It's stop the selling to the downside. GBPUSD pretty close to what? Still, it didn't flip any of the fire. Still, it has inside this last family gap, right? Mm. So all-time high has been taken 1 minute candle sweep, internet SMT. It's close below this range, it indicates a structure shift. I like to see this area to flip, but it didn't flip yet. Okay. And this is what we got as a fair value gap right now in 15 minutes. This is 15 minutes favor here. She got and this 15 minutes. So we do have two favor here, which is this one and this one. Here it's print SMT. This is our SMT right now. So there's an SMT here. And it's come all the way down, speed be slow. I just marked up that favor here. And M5 we do have what? We do have this favor here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, manipulating to the upside gives such a shape so we can anticipate the equilibrium level. We can anticipate some equilibrium level because since the market is extremely bullish and it's let's wait what might happen. So this order the previous get flipped. So what happened? Order high taking order with 3 and failed to clear out this high print on SMT structure shift big fair value gap. So let's wait and see some sort of price action for me to go for a short and what happened here. It's a very big displacement with big fair value, bro. Very big displacement with big fair value. Kind of make me feel very bad. Make me feel very bad.